So I am Thomas G. Nessler III. I am from Fort Hood, Texas, and I heard about Gulfcoast Institute as part of the fellowship program. I'm the Ultrasound Fellow at Fort Hood, and we send our fellow to 3 of these courses a year, and this is my first one. One of the reasons I decided to become an Ultrasound Fellow is because of its application to the military. So I always tell some of our residents out there, you can't put an X-ray in your pocket, you can't put a CT scan in your pocket, but you can put an ultrasound in your pocket. And so you can take that as far forward as we have some of our soldiers. And so to be able to get that level of information that close to the front of the battlefield is just a tremendous asset. So being able to have ultrasound right by your side and getting better at those skills so that you can do more diagnostics far forward is absolutely the reason I decided to become the fellow, and so I can impart that knowledge on our future residents and anybody else that wants to listen. So they have been very helpful as far as getting everything lined up on our end. They pushed the information so that we were never in want of anything. They've already started the courses that I have in the upcoming ones for the end of January and the end of February, and those are already in the works. So every time I've had a question, they've responded within a couple days, and it's been very, very easy to work with them.